Hello student, today again we are with a new topic in SST, that is climate. Before starting the class, I want to inform you that India is a very big country with lots of, you can say, the landforms. You have studied also in the previous chapters that there are landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains, etc. So these landforms affect the climate of the place. And you should know that this climate is different in different places. And changing of climate affects the lifestyle of the people also. For example, if it is in Ladakh, the people living there are feeling too cold because it is the cold desert and snow falls every time on that place. So lifestyle of the persons also changes. Fauna, floras are also of different types. If you are talking about Rajasthan, as you know, it is the hot desert area. So you can find here the sand dunes and the here the flora and fauna are different in compared to Ladakh. So you can see the climate of a place is different in one place and it is different in another place. We have compared with the cold desert Ladakh and the hot desert Rajasthan. So you know that lifestyle is affected by this climate of people living there. So there are season of cycle uh, which is seen in our country, and this is the climate. What are the climate? Now you know the definition of the climate. If you are defining the climate, what is climate? So you note down this that climate is the average weather condition with a long duration of time. So I have mentioned this topic before also. If you are talking about what is climate, climate is the average weather condition with a long duration of the time. So if you are comparing with the weather, if you are comparing the climate with the weather, we will say that weather is only for the short period of time. If you are seeing the climate of today, we can say that it is sunny day. And it may be weather, if you are saying weather, if you are talking, it can be changed by the evening. It may that there will be rain. So you can see this is the difference between weather and climate. Now you understand that the cycle of too many seasons are in our country, but the main season which are found in India are: first is summer season, second is monsoon season, second is the monsoon season, and third is the winter season. So if you are talking about summer season, it begins when? It begins in the month of April and ends till the month of mid-June. Mid-June, you are experiencing this when there is your summer vacation. Just you are knowing that you are getting the summer holiday in your school in the month of May and June. So summer season, it starts in the month of mid April and it ends to the, you can say, in the mid June. You know, this the climate of summer is very hot. It is very, heat is too much scorching because sun is direct our overhead. The rays of sun is directly overhead. So summer is too hot. And one thing more, if you are thinking what happens in the summer, the days are longer. What happened in the summer? Days are longer and nights are short. Understanding everyone? In the summer, the days are, you can say, longer and nights are short. And if you are talking, the hot, dry winds are found during the summer season. That is called as Lu. Just you understand what is Lu? So, hot, dry winds. Is called Lu. So several times question is asked also what is Lu. So you have to answer Lu is the hot dry winds. Not only this, in summer season winds bring dust storm also. You have studied, if you are talking about Rajasthan, we have studied that sand dunes. So how sand dunes are formed? Because of the dust, storms of dust, these sand dunes are formed. You remember we had seen the picture of these sand dunes which are formed by the storm of dust. So in summer season, dust of the winds also bring the dust of storm. And one thing more I want to say that the king of fruit, mango, is found in this season in plenty. You have heard several times your mothers has said in summer season to drink the juices of mango because it helps to minimize the heat stroke. So people take the treat of the king of fruit, mango, in this summer season. So we have understood what is this the first main season, summer season. It starts from the April and ends to the mid-June, and hot dry winds blow in this season. Not only hot dry winds, the winds bring dust storm also, and that is Lu, which is seen in this summer season. And after so much scorching heat, because sun is directly falling overhead, people are eagerly waiting for the next season, that is monsoon. So you are knowing, if you are talking about monsoon, farmers are waiting for this season. Why? Because it helps the crop to grow and it is good for agriculture. Farmers are dependent on agriculture and this monsoon help their crops to grow, and by this they can earn money. So monsoon season, not only farmers, I think you all students also like this season, because when the monsoon arrives, the kids are seen with the umbrella, they play with this raindrops. So this season is eagerly waited by too many people. Now when this monsoon season starts, it start after finishing of the summer season, that is June, mid of the June to the month of September. So, and you know that monsoon, if you are talking, some places, if there is this very high amount of rainfall, the place can be found flooded. And if there is less amount of rainfall, there will be drought also. So it may be, it depends upon the location of the place. And monsoon, if you are talking, it happens because monsoon wind bring rain uh, from Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea to the entire part of India. So not only after getting this monsoon, the first place to receive the rainfall is Kerala. If you are talking which place received the first monsoon, is the Kerala. And one name you should not forget, that the heaviest rainfall which falls in this place is, the name is Mausim Ram. This place is in Meghalaya. So this monsoon is the season which is eagerly waited by too many people, and the first place to receive the rainfall in India is Kerala, and Mausim Ram, the place, it is in Meghalaya. It is receives the heaviest rainfall. This question is several times asked in competitive exam also. So you remember the name of this place. It is Mausim Ram, which is in Meghalaya, receives the heaviest rainfall in the this place in the Meghalaya, and it receives the heaviest rainfall. So you have understood the monsoon season. Now we come to the winter season. It is just opposite of summer season. If you are talking about winter season, it starts from the month of November and lasts till February. When does this winter season start? It starts from the months of November and till the month of February. And you should know, just we have seen in the summer season, the days was what? Days was very long in summer season. Just it is opposite in the winter season, because sun is not striking overhead. So days are short here and night are long. Why it happens? The question is there. Why it happens? Why days are short and nights are long? Because sun rays does not strike that directly, and it happens because of the movement of the earth. In the winter season, as compared to summer season, the sun is not striking directly overhead, and so the places are cool, and it experience the winter season. And you should know that during the winter season, heavy snowfall occurs in the Himalayas. You have studied about the Himalaya, the big mountain range, the highest mountain peak you can say. So Himalaya is always covered with snow and there is heavy snowfall in the winter season. And what happened in winter season? Cold wind come from mountain to the northern plains. This in winter season, you have studied again northern plains. People are too much population is there in the northern plains because there are too many rivers and the land is fertile. Beside that, you should know that cold wind it come from the mountain and it bring very makes the place very cool. And result of that, what happened? People of living in northern plains are feeling too cold. And because of this, what happened? They have to suffer with the cold season. So they take the help of blanket, they take the help of fire. You can see that every time the people in the winter season take the help of fire to keep themselves warm. So because the cold wind which has come from the mountain attack that place, that is the northern plain. So this is the winter season. So you have understood the three main seasons: summer season, monsoon season and winter season. And if you are talking about one more season, we will understand that. That is spring. Spring season. If you are talking about spring season, what is this season? When it begins, what happened in this season? So, if you are talking about spring season, it begins in the month of February, and this season is pleasant for everyone. Why this season is pleasant? Because the climate is very moderate during that time. It is very pleasant. It is neither too hot nor cold. And most of the festivals are enjoyed during spring season. And so I think you all students also like this season too much. I think most of the student favorite season would be spring season. And one thing more I want to say, the flowers start blooming in this season. That is spring season. So we have studied about all the season, and if you are going to higher classes, you have to just this spring season has also you have to study the autumn also. Got it? So you have in this class 4 you remember the three main season: summer season, monsoon season and winter season, with the spring season also. And if you are talking about the solution of this chapter, the question answer which is continuously asked in this chapter is, and it is asked too many times. First of all, the question is asked, what is climate? If I have explained what is climate, average weather condition over a long duration of time. Sometimes questions comes, give summer season that people generally go to hilly area to enjoy the climate because summer is sometimes very unbearable. That is, you can say sometimes people go to Mussoorie, Darjeeling, Simla. These are the hilly area. So you can add in your answer also. And if you are talking the most important question, it is asked several times. What is loop? So hot, dry winds which blow in summer season is called as loop. And you have to study this hot wind in very explanation in your senior classes. So in this class you have to mention that hot and dry winds which blow in summer season is called as loop. Next question is that you can write why farmers wait for monsoon. This is again the question. Farmers are eagerly waiting for the monsoon. As you know, climate is sometimes not favoring the farmers and they have to suffer. Just you have heard several times recently also, too many farmers had lost their life because the crops agriculture was not good and it has resulted in very much problem they have got in their livelihood also. So they eagerly wait for this monsoon, and if monsoon is not favorable to them, they have to suffer a lot. And if monsoon is also very in great amount, it also affect the people. It may be the flood can be happening, and so these questions should be learned and revised by you and you have to write. So again we are coming with the new topic in the next class. So keep learning and keep smiling.